Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about CNC software. There are three types of softwares used in CNC. Number one, operating software. Number two, machine interface software. Number three, application software. What is operating system software? The operating system software is used to interpret the NC part programs and generate the corresponding control signals to drive the machine tool axis. It is installed by manufacturer and stored in the read-only memory. So the operating system software, it reads the program and interprets the program and generates the corresponding control signals to drive the machine tool axis. That is the work of operating system software. Number two, machine interface software. The machine interface software is used to operate the communication link between the CPU and machine tool to accomplish the CNC auxiliary functions such as input-output signals, coolant control, coolant on, coolant off, tool changing activity and tool storage, control of fixing and clamping devices, etc. That is the work of machine interface software. It communicates between the CPU and machine tool to accomplish the CNC auxiliary functions. The third software is application software. It consists of NC programs that are written for machining applications in the user plant. The application software consists of the part programs that were written for the machining application. So these are the three kind of softwares are used in the CNC machines. Now let us discuss about the machining and non-machining applications of NC machines. First of all, we will discuss the machining applications. The machining applications are milling, boring, drilling related processes, turning and grinding. So these are the example for machining applications. Now non-machining applications. Machining means we are removing the excess material from the workpiece to get the required shape and size. In non-machining applications, we are not removing any kind of material from the workpiece. So that is the difference between machining and non-machining applications. Now the non-machining applications are press working machine tools, inspection machines, welding machines, automatic drafting machines, assembly machines, tube bending machines, frame cutting, laser beam processes, plasma arc cutting, cloth cutting, automatic riveting. So these are the non-machining applications of NC machines tools. We come to know that the NC machine tools not only used for machining applications but they can be also used for non-machining applications. Now applications of CNC systems. There are 10 applications listed here. The first one is plasma cutting, number 2 punching operation, number 3 laser cutting operation, number 3 forming, number 4 welding, number 5 lathe operations, number 6 grinding operations, number 7 electro discharge machining, number 8 woodworking industries, number 9 milling operations, number 10 routing operations, etc. So these are the applications of CNC systems. There is a difference between NC machines and CNC machines that we already discussed. So these are the applications of CNC systems. Now let us discuss about the features of CNC machines. What are the features of CNC machines? Number 1, sufficient capacity to store multiple programs. We know that in the CNC machine we can store multiple number of programs and we can use it whenever we need. So in the NC machines, this facility is not available. We cannot store the programs in the NC machines, but we can store the programs in the CNC machines. Number two, it possesses multiple data entry capabilities such as punched tape, magnetic tape, floppy disk, RS-232 communication with computer and manual data input. So these are the number of methods by which we can input the program into the CNC system. Number three, program editing at the machine tool. We know that we can also edit the program in the CNC machines. So that is one of the feature of CNC machines which is not in the NC machines. In the NC machines we cannot edit the program, but in the CNC machine we can edit the program at the machine tool. Number four, fixed cycles and programming subroutines. We know that in the CNC machine there are some cycles like Canard cycles, subroutine programs, mirror programs or mirror cycles, by which we can reduce the length of the program so that it can take a less size for the storing of the program. So that is the advantage of fixed cycles and subroutine programs. Number five, interpolation it permits like linear, circular, parabolic, cubic interpolation. So in the CNC machines we have different kind of interpolation: linear, circular, parabolic, and cubic interpolations. Number six, position feature for setup is easy. We know that in the CNC machine the tool setup, the workpiece setup is quite easier and automatic. Number seven, cutter length and size compensation. So cutter length and size compensation, nothing but if the length of the size also varies and the size of the tool also varies, that will not have any effect on the geometry of the workpiece produced. That is called as cutter length and size compensation. Number eight, acceleration and deceleration calculations. Okay. The CNC machine automatically calculates the accelerations and deceleration. So that is the advantage of CNC machines. For example, when we give G00, the cutting tool will move very rapidly. When we give G01, the cutting tool move with the feed rate that you have mentioned. So that is called as acceleration and deceleration calculations. Number nine, communication interface, which is nothing but it links the machine tool to other computers. We know that in the DNC, distributed numerical control system and direct numerical control system, we can link the machine tool with the computers, downloading part program from the central data file, collecting the operational data like workpiece count, cycle time, interfacing with peripheral equipment such as robots. It is possible in the CNC machine. Number 10, diagnostic capability to detect the malfunctions and system breakdown. The CNC machines are also having their self-diagnostics capability to detect the malfunction, any problem, and system breakdown. So these are the features of the CNC systems. Thank you.